Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another Upful Monday with me, Real Empress Yudah. Today I'm coming to you live and direct from Jamaica, our beautiful island paradise. For those of you who have subscribed to the channel and who are following my videos, you may have noticed that we have traveled to Jamaica for our wedding anniversary vacation. We thank you all for your kind words, your best wishes, and for your love. While here in Jamaica, we will be recording as many videos as we can, and we will be uploading respectively to the channel. So we ask that you switch your notification bell on so you will be notified as soon as a video is uploaded. So today, I have about 3 videos on the lineup, and I ask that you stay tuned. To all my regulars, I'd like to say big up, big up, big up from Jamaica. And for all the new people who have come onto the channel, I'd like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I've overemphasized to show how grateful I am for your time and for all the comments and the participation in the discussion section of my videos. Blessed love, stay tuned, and nothing but love and upful vibrations. We bring you love and light from Jamaica. I'm out for now. Real Empress Yudah.